Welcome guys to Cycler Hub. In this video we are discussing Master of Arts in Philosophy. Before starting this, please save us our number which is 900-936-8238 for future purposes. We provide all services related to the Ignou and other services as well. If you are looking for any other help related to studies, you can contact us. Now, let us discuss about the subject. So this degree is an open distance learning. It means that you can study at your home without any going anywhere. Right now, this is the school is based on the interdisciplinary and transdisciplinary studies. And the duration of this course is 2 years. Medium is in English only, and the specialization is philosophy. And in this master's program, that you can see what is the description. So description is saying that the master program in philosophy has the following major components. So you have a compulsory courses which has 16 credits, elective courses which has 48 credits, and students can choose only 6 electives in the first year and 6 electives in the second year. For uh, each course you will get 4 credits, right? And after completion the program you will get 64 credits over a period of 2 to 5 years. This program is offered only English. However, the student is permitted to write in the exam in Hindi as well. So you can write in Hindi this course. So eligibility is bachelor's degree, and fee structure is 14,400, 7,200 per year, and the registration fees and the examination fees is extra fees. And for more informations, you can contact us on our WhatsApp number. Here are some uh, details are given below of the regional center and the study center details. And for and if you have any other queries, contact us. Save our number as a Ignou helper so that you can contact us anytime. Thank you so much.